In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a folder on OneDrive. We'll walk through the exact clicks you need so you can confidently share a folder with teammates, friends, or family. I'll also point out what each option means so you pick the right level of access the first time. Start by opening your web browser and going to the OneDrive homepage. Once you're signed in, you'll land on your OneDrive dashboard. On the left side, look for the section labeled My Files. This is where all your folders and documents live. Click My Files to open that view and see your content in the main area. Next, find the folder you want to share. In the example, it's shown as a sample folder, but you can select any folder you need. Click once to highlight it. You don't have to open the folder to share it. Simply selecting it is enough to bring up the sharing options. At the top of the page, click the Share button. If you don't see it or prefer another route, you can also right-click the folder and choose Share from the context menu. Both methods open the same sharing panel, so use whichever feels more natural. In the sharing panel, click the settings link or icon to adjust who can use the link and what they're allowed to do. Here, choose between Can View and Can Edit. Can View lets people open and read files without making changes. Can Edit grants full editing rights, which can include adding, changing, or removing files inside the folder depending on your organization's settings. Pick the level that matches your goal. After choosing the permission level, click Apply to save those settings. This step is important. Your choices won't take effect until you apply them, and the link you create next will follow these rules. Now decide how to share. If you want a flexible link you can drop into a chat, document, or message, click Copy Link. That places the sharing link on your clipboard, ready to paste wherever you need. If you prefer to send it directly from OneDrive, click Send instead, enter the recipients, add an optional message, and send it right away. Either approach uses the permissions you just set. That's all there is to it. Open OneDrive, go to My Files, select your folder, open Share, set Can View or Can Edit, apply the setting, then either copy the link or send it. With these steps, you'll share confidently and keep the right level of control over your content.